guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, and on my workbench today I have another classic catalogue. This time is the Revell Scale Model Kit catalogue from 1977. If you've not been on my channel before, basically what I do is I go to my stash of vintage catalogues and I film them page by page in high definition so that you can see what they were producing in that year. And people seem to like them, so I'm continuing to film them. If you want to see this in the best quality, I suggest you go to the cog, click quality and select 1080p. If you think I'm turning the pages too fast, you can slow the video down by going to the cog, click playback speed and selecting either 0.5 or 0.25. Only 10% of the people who watch these videos are subscribers, so it would really help the channel if you could just click the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified on every video that I put up, just ring the bell. And remember, to subscribe is free. So let's get to it. This is the Revell catalogue from 1977. Enjoy. Quite a bit in this catalogue. I was quite blown away with some of it. Like, you know, I thought it was fantastic. It's bilingual, so there's so many different languages in here. You've got French, you've got German, obviously. They start off quite simply on make the models the Revell way, and it's telling you about the brushes, stirring and thinning paints, the preparation, application. So there's all sorts of information there to help you on your way. Tells you about the symbol guide. The symbol guide here is the scale is the height and the length, number of parts and wingspan. So just showing you here all the little, you know, basically it says scale, be 1 to 72, number of parts. That's the logo to look for. Okay, so you turn over the page, there's some more information there, and then you start into it. And basically they kick off with this space shuttle, because remember, the space shuttle was really starting to kick off now. And this new space shuttle has made, when NASA's space shuttle makes its maiden flight, it will usher in an exciting new era of space exploration. So it hasn't even launched then, I don't believe. But yeah, so basically they started off, as soon as it hit, they built the space shuttle, and they also put out the Boeing 747 to carry it as well. It's amazing, really. They were straight on it back in the day. 1 to 48 scales, planes, you can move on through then the 1 to 32 scale, and just moving on through 1 to 28 scale planes. You know, there was so much going on in this kit. The 110 series planes were famous aircraft from World War II and famous aircraft from the more recent periods that you would find in Revell's 110 series. So basically all the, like, I think it's mostly war sort of planes are in there. The 85 series planes, there's quite a few in there. Then you've got the 3-in-1 series, which gives you 3 versions or 3 decal systems and paint schemes to build. So the Sopwith Camel came with 3 sorts. It was quite big in the day to do that. The Warhawk did it, the Newport did it, the Supermarine Spitfire Mark 1 and 2 had different decals, so you can choose which scheme you wanted to go for. Into the helicopters, which were quite popular. Then they had the civil plane range. Then they had the zany plane range. You know, this was all out back in the day. Loads of it. Naval ships. Let's miss one in. There's the naval ships. Moving through, the quick build sailing ships, which were quite easy to build. Then you had the galleons, which were getting harder, and the large galleons, which I wouldn't even attempt to now. I'm quite happy with my planes. Military with their tanks, etc. Then they did this, which was the V8 see-through kit. 100 parts, you know, it's got Airfix did their own version of this later on. Moving through, there's the 1 to 25 cars, and you know, they did the Jaguar well back in the day, and then they've redone that one now, haven't they? So I've got the kit here. I've done a video on it. If you want to look up here, you can see the Jaguar that they've just re-released now. The Datsun, they've done all that. Brilliant stuff. Golden age of motoring, the classic car series, Mercedes-Benz, the Jaguar E-Type again. Then they had the 112 motorcycles. Then the 1.8, you know, there's the Harley Davidson police bike, you know, it's infamous. The autonomy kits, never done these, never seen them. If anybody's got one, put them in the comments, you know, tell me what you thought of them. And then some information about their very limited paint range. But even then, they had an airbrush back in 1977. And then they had the Sky Raiders, which were planes that flew. And that was basically it. You can see there, Revell GB Limited near Cranbourne Road, near Potter's Bar in Herts. And this was from the Ride Model Shop in Ride. There you go. And that was the Revell 1977 catalogue. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell. You should be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below. And I do reply. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.